Going to fix what is a head gasket leak. What the hell is going on? Oh, this is great. Look at that. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another video on my very problematic dog. No, not Lola. We're talking about my SLK350. You've seen the video, you've seen the smoke. Today, you're gonna see the fix. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons?
Alright, it looks like snow.
I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was gonna be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
So yeah, she's a hot mess right now. We have all kinds of bird poo on her. She was outside and she got attacked by all kinds of things. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to focus on the cause of all of that smoke. If you missed the video in the intro, take a look at this right here. I have myself one of them head gasket leaks, and I'm afraid to jump inside the engine just quite yet because these are complicated engines. When it runs fine other than the smoke. Here's what we're going to use to fix it right here. Steel Seal simply fixes blown head gaskets in 3 easy steps, and right there, over 99% success rate. Steel Seal lifetime guarantee, and it's an award-winning formula. Yeah, check that out. So basically, one bottle will fix 4-cylinder engines. For 6 or 8 cylinder engines, you got to have yourself 2 bottles. Well, I fortunately have 2 bottles. And following the steps right here, basically drain the coolant. You're going to put in some water. You're going to put this stuff in and then let it rip, tater chip, for 30 minutes. And then the smoke will go away. I've used this before and the smoke went away. It was beautiful. So, first on the list, other than a car wash, which is desperately needed, we're going to drain. I believe I just put water in here, but I'm going to make sure, okay? I can't remember, honestly. I really can't remember. I think I just put water in this thing, but that does have kind of a greenish tint, so maybe I was stupid and put in coolant. We're going to drain this, and then we get to fill it back up. So that sounds like fun. As you might hear, yep, we do have a drain spout in this radiator down on the bottom right. See what's coming out? Yep, it's green, so it's a good thing I did this. We will let this drain for the next 5 hours. It's going to go quicker than that. Once she's free and clear, we'll fill her up with some water, and then we'll put this stuff in, and hopefully, cross our fingers, fix her up. Make her all pretty. All right, she's all drained and ready to go. I have my 2 bottles of good stuff right here, just waiting to be used. We're going to put some distilled water in here first. At capacity, I think, about 11 quarts. Then we're going to back her out, and I'm going to wash her while she's running. I'm going to try to accomplish 2 things. Love it. Okay. So I want to make sure nothing's leaking. I don't want to waste this stuff because this was kind of pricey. Okay, make sure the engine is cold. Remove the radiator cap. Pour Steel Seal directly into the radiator. Replace the radiator cap and tighten. This is after you drain all the green stuff or the blue stuff. This is the good stuff. We're saying a little prayer while we put this in. We're hoping it's going to work. This one's a little dirty. Okay. I mean, it can't help, right? Oh, here we go. Yeah, there's your thumbnail. Ah! Okay, thumbnail complete. 2 bottles right in there. Continue filling the system. Now you do want to get this up to operating temperature. You let it run for 30 minutes, like I said, and that's what kind of seals it. All right, we're going to let that just be. We're going to give her a start, and we're going to see what happens. All right, let's just hope. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. Let's back her out, get her in place, and see if she's going to work. I can't, this bird poo is driving me cuckoo. I can't take it. I can't take it. All right, please start. Please let the battery be good. It should be. I just plugged it in. Here we go. Is that how bad the... Oh gosh. If my head gasket is that blown, this is going to be the best. All right, I got Lola. Doesn't it look empty out here? It really does. It looks really, really kind of sad and empty out here. I don't know why we're leaking so much. Shoot. Is all this dripping out the front? Where's it coming out? What the hell is going on? Why is all this leaking? Oh, son of a bitch. It's gonna blow. All right, we had a bit of a spill. That's okay though. I think we got it solved. I didn't lose too much because really, I just probably needed 1.5 bottles. If 1 is 4 and 2 is 8, then 6 would be 1.5, right? Yeah. And so what we have to do is just let this thing kind of idle for a while. I got to get the RPMs up. We'll get my RPM adjuster device, and then we will let her sit there for a while. This may be too long. Where's my other one? Where's my RPM adjuster? Now we got all kinds of sounds going on here. This is lovely. This is lovely. Okay. But I will tell you, it's running better already, and check that out. Much less than before. We've got the idle set now, right here. Thank you to my new idle device. Yeah, otherwise known as barbecue tools. Yeah, cleaners and everything. And we have more coming out of here. So basically, it's a waiting game. We just sit and wait. So, while this continues to blow smoke, and I love the smell, we'll just wash the car. Let's do that. And now I'm worried about this. This car is going to drive me crazy. Well, this is an effing disaster, and I mean effing. Look at this. This is great. So I have a leak in my hose, and it's spitting out everywhere. Or is it a leak in the radiator? It's a leak in the radiator. Oh, this is great. Look at that. Well, son of a gun. Ain't that just the best? You know, you try to bring a car back, And she fights you every effing step of the way. It wasn't leaking before. Somebody's life is being saved over there at the hospital. I'm losing a life here. Yep. This is a mess. Wow. All right. Oh my God. Yeah, this is a complete shite show. All right, let's talk about what just happened. Yeah, can you believe it? One more thing wrong in this lovely, that's now dripping on me, Mercedes SLK350. This car's been problematic. And I'm this close. You know, I never part out a car. I never do. I try to save all of them. This one is just driving me crazy. Let's add it up, okay? What do we need? Well, we need a front bumper. We need a radiator. We possibly need a rear bumper. We still have the head gasket issue, so big old question mark right there. There's some interior little pieces that should probably be replaced. The top works. Oh, windshield. All right, and then what else? Anything else we can think of? Some fog lights probably that aren't on the bumper that we're going to buy. Yeah. So add all those up and you get this. What's the value of the car? This. So at what point do I say you're stupid for continuing to do this? Okay, I don't know. This would be a really cool car. I got it for very little money. There we go. I'm just throwing all kinds of numbers out there so you can help me kind of decide what we're going to do about this thing. 2005 SLK350. What's the mileage on this thing? I don't even remember. I really don't even remember. Come on, give me some mileage. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. 215,000 miles. Excuse me. That's not COVID. That's a despair. That's just bloom, despair, and agony on me. Whoa. Ever watch Hee Haw? I used to as a kid. Yeah. So, 215,000 mile car that's worth very little and needs lots and lots of parts. So what do? I don't know. That's where you guys come in. Should I continue on this thing? Should I part her out and send her on down the road? An engine for these? Wow. If I have to replace the engine? If the head gasket sealer doesn't work? What's that? 1,200 maybe? If I don't pull it out of a junkyard, which I really don't want to do. How many YouTube fail videos have you seen lately? Because this is certainly way up at the top. Yeah. Okay. Well, let me know what you think, folks. Please like, please subscribe. Once again, I need to sell about 6,000 stickers to recoup my loss on this one. So cash at me $3, Ben's Guy 99. I have all kinds of merchandise down along the bottom as well. So check that out from Teespring, and we'll see what happens with this car. I just don't know. I've had troublesome cars. Remember Satan? Remember Son of Satan? Yeah, those CLK 350s that I had. Same engine. Maybe that's it. Maybe I should just stay away from anything with a 350. But I did have an ML 350 with 289,000 miles that drove great. So, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm talking and I'm thinking and I'm putting numbers together in my head at the same time, which can only lead to disaster. Okay, folks, we're going to call it quits on this one. We'll give this one a big F. Yeah, fail. Sorry. Life isn't a success every time. Yeah, you win some, you lose some. Some cars just have to say, bye-bye. We'll see you later. She's still smoking a little bit, too. Yeah, love that. Okay. Well, I hope your day's better than mine. Okay, I hope you do have a great day. I hope it's better than mine. But this thing has been it's been a traumatic day for me. It's really been very, very traumatic. Okay. Bye-bye.